Premium materials, thoughtful construction, quality craftsmanship. Seaward homes are built differently by design. This fully furnished 4,750 square foot custom home is located in the exclusive Lido Shores neighborhood. Boasting 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms and 2 bonus rooms. This custom-built residence with private beach access is the perfect blend of personalized luxury and comfort. While the primary suite serves as a private retreat with a spa-like bathroom and direct access to outdoor living areas. Crafted with passion and attention to detail, the open floor plan provides ample space for living and entertaining, including an additional living room on the second floor. The gourmet kitchen is highlighted by high-end finishes equipped with Thermador appliances, custom Italian cabinetry, and an expansive island designed for entertaining. The 1,100 square foot rooftop terrace is the prize of the home, offering breathtaking views of downtown Sarasota and the Gulf of Mexico, an ideal setting for hosting or simply enjoying a quiet sunset. Every element of this home reflects expert craftsmanship with seamless indoor-outdoor living spaces, a private pool area, and lush landscaping. The pool area includes ample space for lounging. The custom spa overflows into the refreshing, heated saltwater pool. Located just minutes from the pristine sands of Lido Beach and the vibrant St. Armand Circle, this home offers an experience of modern coastal living with convenient access to dining and shopping with private beach access. Thank you for joining me on this luxury home tour. If you're interested to see any curated properties available by Seaward Homes, contact me. My information is below.